Have you heard in this competitive real estate market that it could be a challenge to both buy and sell a home at the same time? Well, for many people it is. I'm here to tell you today that I have an awesome program that actually can help you do both in an easy way. I'm Realtor Clayton Connolly, and I'm here to share that in this poppin' market, I'm specializing in simultaneous buy and sell. I have some clients, the Johnson family, and they needed to do just that. So what they did is we found the perfect home that they wanted to move into. We negotiated an offer, and here's the good part. We were able to use the equity from their previous home to buy their new home. Now, they moved into their new home. At the same time, their original home became vacant. We cleaned it up like a showroom. We staged it, we did all of our media work and put it out there to the public, and we were able to sell it at a price that exceeded all of our expectations. They were able to do a simultaneous buy and sell seamlessly because of our program. If you or someone you know is in that situation and wants to learn more, please give me a phone call or DM me, and I'd love to tell you more about it. Thanks a lot.